Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to start investing in cryptocurrency with just $100. If you're new to crypto or feel like you don't have enough money to get started, think again. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make the most out of your $100 investment, minimize risks, and take your first steps into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Stick around for recommendations on essential tools that will set you up for success. Look in the description below for links to helpful tools. Part 1. Why start investing in crypto? Cryptocurrency is reshaping the financial world. With $100, you can start building wealth in a decentralized ecosystem that offers accessibility, transparency, and the potential for exponential growth. Crypto is a unique asset class that allows you to diversify your portfolio and take part in innovations like blockchain technology. In 2025, crypto is no longer just about Bitcoin. You now have options to invest in Ethereum, stablecoins, and even tokens powering decentralized finance and NFTs. With as little as $100, you can start your crypto journey today. Part 2. Step-by-step guide to investing $100. Step 1. Choose a trusted exchange. Start by signing up for a reliable cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. These platforms make it easy to convert your $100 into crypto with low fees and user-friendly interfaces. Step 2. Do your research. Before investing, research the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Bitcoin and Ethereum are great starting points, but consider exploring stablecoins or top altcoins for diversification. Use tools like TradingView for market analysis and CoinStats to track performance. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put your entire $100 into a single coin. Consider splitting it. For example, $50 in Bitcoin for stability, $30 in Ethereum for growth potential, and $20 in a promising altcoin or stablecoin to reduce risk. Step 4. Set up a secure wallet. Once you've made your purchase, transfer your crypto to a secure wallet. For small amounts, hot wallets like Trust Wallet or MetaMask work fine. For long-term storage, cold wallets like Ledger or Trezor provide maximum security. Step 5. Start small and stay consistent. Investing $100 is just the beginning. You can set a goal to invest an additional $50 or $100 monthly as you learn more. Cryptocurrency rewards patience and consistency. Part 3. Managing risks. Crypto is a volatile market, so never invest money you can't afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and avoid chasing the hype. Part 4. 3 tools and platforms for beginners. CoinStats. Easily track your portfolio and monitor the performance of your $100 investment. TradingView. Analyze price trends and find the best entry points. Coinly. Keep track of your transactions and simplify crypto tax reporting. Starting with $100 is proof that anyone can invest in cryptocurrency. By following this step-by-step guide, you're already ahead of most beginners. Check the links in the description for trusted platforms like TradingView, CoinStats, and Ledger to help you get started. Remember, the journey to wealth in crypto starts small, but can lead to significant rewards over time. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe.